I'm back, guys. We will review some YouTube stuff.
I saw this video which said that everything that you had dreamt, if it was given to you right away, would you know how to take care of it? Would you know how to maintain your dream body if it was given to you right now? If you were given a massive mansion with a pool, the sea view you had always dreamt of, 14 feet ceiling height, would you know how to take care of it? If you were given the loving relationship that you had always wished for, yearned for, craved for, would you know how to take care of it? Would you know how to be in love with them? Would you know how to place their coffee order? The point that I'm trying to make is each and everything that we're trying to bypass, each and every discomfort that we're trying to bypass is the point of getting what we're supposed to get. Okay. And I am operating with the assumption that whatever we set our minds to, we end up getting. एंड अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो कोई बात नहीं, हमें वो किसी और फॉर्मेट में या किसी और टाइमलाइन में मिल जाएगा, बट मिलता ज़रूर है। क्यों? क्योंकि यू हैव सेट योर इंटेंशन टुवर्ड्स इट। एंड अगर नहीं भी मिला, आई लाइक टू टेल माई सेल्फ आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड, बिकॉज if the path of me getting towards the thing I really wanted is constantly making me tread off of it, I'm a fool for not taking the sign. Okay? And if you are somebody who's watching this video and looking for a sign, let me be it. Also, I recently learned my name actually means a sign for someone. Ankita means a sign for someone. So, to be true to my name and to be true to my brand, I'm gonna urge you to go for it, not because I think you should go for it, not because you should do the things that scare you. यार डर लगता है तो you seek comfort, I seek comfort, and हर बार रोज सुबह उठ के कुछ अनकंफर्टेबल करने का मन किसी का नहीं करता, मेरा भी नहीं करता. But one thing that I'm a big fan of, if I can't do it scared, I'll do it as a joke. Okay? When I take something really lightly, when I take my art really lightly, when I take my outfits really lightly, I'm not saying be nonchalant. Okay? Nonchalance in today's day and age, I think, is the death of creativity, first of all. How can you not be curious and bursting at the seams with energy about something that you want, something that you're curious about, something that all of us crave, which is connection? How do you think it is like normal to play it cool about आप पोगो देखिए, ठीक है? मेरा चैनल is for those who like to yearn loudly, who like to dream loudly, who like to within you, but you haven't found what fans the flame within you. Let me tell you, आपके दिमाग में अगर वॉइसेस हैं, सारी वॉइसेस आपकी आवाज़ में ही हैं, क्वाइट लिटरली, है ना? पॉइंट बीइंग, आपके दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही इंसान आप हो. ओके? And the one person who can take decisions for you, the one person who can confuse the hell out of you, is you. Let me remind you, you have a lot of power. Okay? So if you truly, truly want to do something, drop the nonchalance. Step number one. Number two, you don't have to be perfect. to do it scared, you know? And it's okay to be scared. Everybody shits their pants when they're about to do something unknown, do something unfamiliar. But that is the point. Okay? If you feel that I do less of something, I will become more important, you know what? Sure, have that mindset. I come from the mindset that आप quantity game खेलनी चाहिए. ठीक है? Produce more of what you truly want. Do it as a joke. If it works out, great. There's so many bets that you took, and maybe all of them work out. Maybe 90% of them work out. Maybe out of the 100 bets you take, one works out. But point being, you taking the initiative to do that thing is what took you there. If you think that in order to have one viral video, you are going to place 3 bets, you'll be like, मैं खुद को, I'm putting myself on a deadline and a timeline that I will only work on 3 videos. If one of them works out, great. If not, maybe this is not for me. Do you think 3 is enough? Genuinely tell me. And this is not about videos. It is about putting yourself out there to go and make friends. It's about applying